Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to explain to you what the three subdials on your Timex Retrograde each mean. So this is going to be a model that features both the day of the week and the day of the month complication. Also, we have another subdial which is going to be for the 24-hour display, so also military time. The three big watch hands of the watch are for the actual time, so they are going to feature the time, the hours, the minutes, and the seconds. Then we have a subdial right here. In our case, we have this retrograde style for the day of the week, which after you go past Sunday, it is going to jump backwards to Monday. So this is going to be the subdial for the day of the week. Then we are going to have a subdial right here for the day of the month. If I pull the crown to the first position, I will be able to adjust the day of the month, as you can see right here. When it comes to setting the day of the week, so setting the time and date, I'm going to post a full guide because this one is going to be a little bit tricky, so I'm going to show you how to do it. And lastly, we have another subdial here at 6 o'clock, which is going to be for military time. So 24-hour display, that is why we see up to 24. And that is how we are going to tell whether it is AM or PM. So if I pull the crown to the last position and start moving the watch hands, you'll be able to see that this small subdial is going to mirror the big watch hands. So once I'm going to hit 12 right here, it is going to also hit 12 AM right there. Then as I get closer to 12 once again, it is going to go past midnight and we are going to hit the 24, and now also the day of the week and the day of the month are both going to change. So we have Wednesday and also the next day when it comes to the day of the month. The movement also features a hacking, so with the watch crown pulled all the way, we are going to see that the seconds hand is going to stop. If I push the crown all the way back in, it is going to start working again. Once again guys, I'm going to post a guide on how to set the time and date, also how to replace the strap and the watch battery on your Timex Retrograde watch, links in the description box below. So I'm going to post the full guides, make sure to check them out. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.